there's another train for today, going the other way. All we had to do is just wait a couple more minutes. Afternoon. We made it over here to Vaughn, New Mexico. We're gonna go see if we can see a train, catch a train. The last video I put out yesterday when I was backing up into my yard, I got quite a few comments of what the noise was when I was backing up. It sounded like metal, and it's the chains and the binders banging up against the headache rack. That's what you guys heard. I got the generator running, making a cup of coffee while we go for a little walk. Got Bailey out. Go for a little walk. Come on. Oh, weather's not too bad over here in Vaughn, but it's not too muddy. There's a little dirt path right down there. It goes up under that bridge. The trains come right by there, so we'll see if we can go catch a train today. All right, we made it down here to the railroad tracks. See the truck way over there. Bailey's sticking her nose into somewhere she's not supposed to. There's the tracks. I have come down here often, and I can never catch a train coming by. But we'll wait down here for a couple minutes. See if we can see something. We're going to be coming across this bridge here, heading up that way to Santa Rosa. Well, nothing yet. Bailey found a big stick to play with. Scratching around in the dirt. I think we'll head back up to the truck. I was watching, I know you guys can't see it, but there's an airplane. I guess there's a little airport right over there. And a little single engine plane practice and landing. Alright, we'll head back up to the truck. And guaranteed by the time I get back to the truck, the train will come by. What'd I tell you? Just about time I get back up to the truck, there's your train for today. Just needed to wait just a couple more minutes. All right, we're almost back to the truck. I would show you the sign here. There you go. Welcome to Vaughn. You ready, Bailey?
You have 5 hours and 29 minutes of remaining drive.
I think we're ready. I got my coffee, I got my sandwich, and an apple. And three trains have gone by since I started walking back up here. Oh. Okay, our goal is, our ultimate goal is to get over to Weatherford, Oklahoma, at that nice little truck stop I like hanging out at. That'll make for about 500 miles today. We left Alamogordo this morning, or late this morning. We've gone about 150 miles. And there's still quite a bit of holiday traffic on the road. Alright, here we go.
Take the next left onto US 54 East, US 60 East.
I do want to stop in Amarillo at the Streak and Beacon and get the truck washed. It's been a while.
Continue on US 54 East for 38 miles.
Hopefully it won't rain too much. Yeah, so all the times I've stopped and walked down there, I've never been down there when the train goes by. It's either comes by when I'm walking down there, or it comes by when I'm walking away. Walking from. We got about 40 miles up to Santa Rosa. Then we're going to pick up I-40. Take I-40 all the way across. To Santa Rosa, New Mexico, and we're getting ready to get on historic
Turn
Route
right
66.
onto US Route 66.
66 mostly follows I-40, the historic 66. Most of it follows along I-40. I don't think I've ever filmed coming through Santa Rosa.
US Route 66 for 1 mile.
Interesting little town. There's supposed to be some big lake around here we can go swimming. Crossing over to Pecos River, which I think runs all the way down to Pecos, Texas. So we got about a mile or so through town here, and then we're going to get on I-40. But I figured I would let you look at old historic Santa Rosa along Route 66. I like coming through these old towns like this. Imagine back in the 40s, 50s, I mean, even in the 60s, you know, this was the main drag. This was the interstate. And of course, when they built the interstate, it moved everything away from the center of town. Everybody just kind of drove by and slowly died. The city slowly died. But you see all these old motor lodges and stuff like that. Pretty interesting. That, years ago, you weren't running 75, 80 miles an hour either. With all these old motels, old inns. See that bridge straight ahead? That's I-40. So we're gonna go get on I-40. The Sun and Sand Motel. Blue Hole Visitor Center. I think the name of that lake or whatever is called Blue Hole. Google it, check it out.
1,000 feet.
I looked at it.
I-40 east ramp to Tucumcari.
I looked it up once, but it looks pretty interesting. All right, we're gonna get on I-40 here and head to Tucumcari. GPS said, Google said. I call it Tucumcari, but I'm not too sure which one is right. It's a pretty good little climb up this little ramp here. We got about 170 miles to Amarillo, Texas. We're going to stop at the Blue Beacon and get a truck wash. All right, we made it to Amarillo, Texas. We're at the Blue Beacon truck wash. There's not too many trucks in line. There's nobody behind me on the last truck. It shouldn't take them too long. We'll get the truck washed. There's old Bailey. So truck wash usually runs between $105 to $115. Is usually right around what a truck wash costs. That's for truck, trailer, engine wash, and wax on the tractor and the trailer. So that's usually about what it runs. And I try to wash it, you know, once a month, maybe twice a month, depending on how much snow or ice. To wash it every week first takes a lot of money, because that's $100 a week. That's $400 a month. That's $4,500 a year just in truck washes if you washed it once a week. The other thing is time. It takes a lot of time. A lot of these truck washes are busy, and sometimes time just doesn't work out. But we get done. We're gonna make our way over to Weatherford, Oklahoma. That's our plan for today. All right, we made it over here to Weatherford, Oklahoma. We drove 535 miles today. First full day of driving. Around. Oop, I know you guys are looking at. This is that little truck stop I like hanging out at. It's called an ASAP. So plenty of parking. Bailey's hungry. She's been patient. It's 8 o'clock here right now. So tomorrow we're gonna get somewhere in Arkansas probably. Wanted to answer a couple questions. I had a lot of comments about how did I get the lug nuts off of the wheels to rotate the front tires. I got a DeWalt 1/2-inch impact, cordless impact battery, and that thing does pretty good. I also have a breaker bar and a 3/4 inch socket that I can use to break the lug nuts. I carry that stuff with me. One day I might need it. I used it yesterday. Another comment I kept getting a lot was, why didn't I do all that stuff while I was at home? And when I go home, I try to get out of truck mode, and I don't like messing with the truck while I'm at home. I know I should do more, but when I get back on the road, it's time to go to work, do truck stuff, do whatever. I work on the truck some when I'm at home, but especially with all the holidays going on and everything, I just wanted to spend time with my family. So that was why I didn't do the stuff at home, or some of it at home. Let's see what else is going on. That's it. We had a good day. This is kind of the first full day of driving. First full day of driving for the year. Anyway, that's it. We're gonna call it quits. Thanks for watching.